Independence Trail. Do I want to do it? Do I want to do it? Let's do it. I can talk while I do it. It's just a road after all. Have to remember where the down is. Oh, it looks like it's changed a little. Yeah, that looks like it falls off now. Well, poopy. There we go. Ah, there we go. Can go down if I can back up. There we go. Oh, maybe this is where I went down last time. Okay, so just trust it. Get your rear off the back. And down you go. Woo-wee. Somebody tore up that hillside. That's the only problem. People don't keep to one area. They slowly make it wider, and then BLM has to come in and put in, you know, posts going up to be like, hey, stay. Yeah, it's pretty gnarly coming down that, but it's fun. You got to go up as a rider. Right now, that's all tore up. That's a nice ramp, and there's a crack there. Otherwise, you could go back up there. I think there was one here, but it's dug out. And then you could go way over there. Kind of go up and around, or take it level by level. There's different ways. I wouldn't advise somebody that's not used to this coming down by themselves, because you got to get out. Oh, should have went high. Bad line. Shit, am I in first yet? Yeah, I don't know. Whoa. Okay, get my bearings. Woo. Front end rolled on that one rock, and it was like, whoa. Whew, I'm a lot tireder today than I was the other day. One of those days. Woo-wee. I think the bike does pretty good. Woohoo. I can't wait to try the 300 they're developing. You know, I'm sorry, but KTM's and other bikes, the price has gone through the roof. It's not that I can't afford one, it's most people cannot afford one. To come out here and throw stuff on the ground, you know what I mean? The manufacturers don't understand that. Even $8,000 would be a lot of money for somebody to come out here and beat the bike up. Now I get it. There's people that buy $12,000 bike every year or two, buy a new one. They're not necessarily a good rider. They just buy it to buy it. Good for those people. But did you all know, riding, every year, enduro bikes, dirt bikes, sales are down 6%. Did you know that? So it might seem like a lot of people are riding, but no, they're not. There's a loss. And I told the guy that's in the business, well, it's probably the cost of the bikes. And he said, you know what? That probably is true. I don't want to buy a $10,000 bike, a $12,000 bike, and come and throw it on the ground. Life is too short. That's a waste of money. So really, these clones, these knockoffs, I mean, it's where it's at. You know, you buy one of these for $5,000, $5,500. If you get it plated in your state, what was that? $6,000. $6,000. You got a bike. That's just as good as anything else. It runs. I'm doing this stuff. It's not bad. It's not a bad bike. It starts up and it goes. You know, what more do you want? No, I get it. There's a lot of people that are like, I need a 300. I need that 300. And maybe they do because they're just a bigger fella. But I would say most people, nah, they don't need that. Woo-wee! Can't remember what side I went on before. Let's try left. Yep, middle would have been. Ooh, that was pretty vertical. I'll take another drink of water. Woohoo. So you didn't take the high road. With the high road, tire likes to slide in. I like going easy here. This rock is a lot slicker than it looks. Somebody put that flat rock there. That wasn't there before. Oop, going crisscross. Okay, got the Tugger strap. So, tip and yank, just like that. Whoa! Woohoo! Oh. Hoo-wee. Oh, it's not doing it now. Wow. Well, everybody, hopefully you liked this video. Hopefully I gave you some feedback while I was riding and before. But yeah, it's running good. It's running good. Was making that noise. It wasn't when I stopped here, so don't know. Maybe something cleared itself up. Seems to be doing fine though. Tires are good. Chain got a little loose. I'll probably go ahead and tighten that up a little bit when I get home. It's good enough for today, for the easy stuff I'm riding. So anyways, hopefully you liked the video. Check out the description for links to the various products. The ones that go to Amazon help me out. The other ones are there just to help you out 100%, because I don't get any kickback from any of these companies. And you know, there's really not too much disclosure. I got a discount on the ZeelTronic because I haggled, but it was just a discount because I haggled. Discount on the bike because I haggled a little. The Blockbusters I had, they were free, but they were free because I reviewed a 2019 Beta 500 RRS for a year. I think it was like 2,800 miles, whatever it was. Had that bike for quite a while. A loaner from the manufacturer, well, the importer. It was awesome. But that's why I have these, so I just repurposed them to this bike. They fit right on, so 90 millimeter. So I think the 90 is that one, I want to say. But anyways, I don't know if I have it in the description, the size. I need to get that for you, add it to the description. But other stuff like IMS, they do help me out a lot, but I just bought that. It's 30 bucks, helps the company out in these times. Tugger straps, I got a discount, but I bought them. Yeah, you know, pretty much I've been buying everything on this bike, so it is what it is. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a good one, y'all. And get out here and ride, even if it's not this stuff. Just get out here. It's good stuff, and you'll get better over time. So hey, take care.